Okay, arriving now is a London North Western Railway service bound for Euston. Leading the way is 35105. And on the rear is 35403. And I'll keep filming as here we have an Avanti West Coast Class 390 passing through, bound for London Euston. (390-136). Okay, departing now is a London North Western Railway service bound for Euston. Okay, arriving now is the 1413 Southern service to Watford Junction. This is worked by 377706. Okay, departing now is the 1413 Southern service to Watford Junction. Nice toot from the driver. Nice toot for the driver again. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a pair of London North Western Railway 350s. 35241 and 35405 bound for London Euston.
409 even.
That's what I said. But anyways, here we have departing 710268 bound for Watford Junction. Okay, the next train to pass by will be an Avanti West Coast Pendolino. (390-045). Okay, arriving now is the 1421 London North Western Railway service to Milton Keynes Central. Leading the way is 35255.
The brand is London North West.
Oh.
This isn't there, but...
And I shall get the rear when it leaves. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Pendolino. (390-104), I think that was, bound for Euston. But anyways, departing now is the 1421 London North Western Railway service to Milton Keynes Central. On the rear is 35404. Whoa, that scared the life out of me. 350-237 on the rear and 350-256 on the front of this service bound for Euston. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Pendolino. (390-141). I don't know where that's off to. But anyways, departing now is 35237 bound for Euston. Okay, the next train to pass by will be an Avanti West Coast of Vero. (805,009). Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Avanti West Coast of Vero. (807,007). I thought, why not film this freight train as well? $390 something bound for London Euston. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Avanti Pendolino. $390,103, I think it is. Nice toot from the driver. It's bound for Euston though. Okay, the next train to pass by will be an Avanti West Coast of Vero. (807,002). Okay, the next train to pass by will be another Avanti West Coast Pendolino. $390,050 bound for London Euston. Okay, arriving now is the 1500 London North Western Railway service to Milton Keynes Central. Leading the way is 354.03. And on the rear is 350.105. And I'll keep filming as here we have another pair of 350s about to pass by. (353.409) and 350.241 bound for Crewe. Okay, arriving now is the 1502 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. Leading the way is 350.116.
What happened to that one?
And I shall get the rear when it leaves. Anyways, departing now is the 1502 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. As departing there is also the 1500 service to Milton Keynes Central. On the rear is 103. Okay, arriving now is the 1513 London North Western Railway service to Tring. Leading the way is 350.237. And on the rear is 350.256.
My bad, it's 1613.
Okay, departing now is the 1513 London North Western Railway service to Tring. And here we also have the 1515 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. This is leading the way is 730.005. And I shall get the rear when it leaves. Okay, departing now is the 15:15 London North Western Railway service to London Euston.
7:35 and 008.
On the rate is 7:30,038.